Hello guys.
Well, what's that hot hand?
Taylor.
Hi guys, well, what is this place?
Good. Alright, so I'm blowing my nose, so today's Valentine's Day. Let me back up a little bit. It's been a while since you've seen me because I've been fighting to help my team get these $5,000 bonuses. It's real out here, so I'm about to do some deep cleaning in the house. Deep in some areas, not so deep in others because we've already, we clean there regularly. So I'm gonna start with the kitchen and the living. Thank you.
All right. Thank you now.
Dang, they're so pretty. Sudie, look. Look. No, it's for me. It's pretty. Hey y'all, so of course my battery died on me as I was cleaning, but the kitchen is nice and clean, y'all. Like so clean, so clean, so clean, so clean. All right, look at this. This is gonna be our station for charging stuff. So I put Taylor's tablet in here. First we had like our mail and just papers and stuff like this, and we would have papers like all right here, and I just hated it. It looked so unorganized. I hated it. My bae bought me some beautiful roses for Valentine's Day, and I'm just so grateful. Like he really surprised me with these. I was not expecting it at all. I have Taylor's section over here, nice and clean. I just put her name across her little table. All of her learning stuff is in this basket, and then I put the bigger things right here. I actually just purchased it today from Marshall's. It was only like 30 something. So yeah, and it's like hidden. You can't even see it. Like if you over here, can't even see it at all, right? So it's perfect because I do not like my information being like all out like that. So let's go this way. I dusted down all of this stuff, mopped the whole floor. Taylor is over here taking a nappy nap. Y'all give her a kiss. Mwah. My baby. Yeah, so I vacuumed out the couch, which is why I guess this is like that. Ugh. Yeah, I vacuumed out the couch and stuff. I want to clean my cushions and stuff. So yeah, I vacuumed the floor. So yeah, everything in here is clean. Nice and clean. So, if you don't know, now you know. Hold up. If you don't know, now you know my birthday is on Friday. And I think I just had the urge to step into a new year like with a clean home, okay? I'm really like, I feel so blessed and stuff to have my home, so yeah. But I'm over here working, y'all. Got these charts out, my planner out. Y'all think it's a game? Like, your girl is working. Like, this is what I've been doing, working. So I dedicated some time today to Vday so that I can spend some time with him, watch a movie with him. We love spending time with each other, like we really do. I miss him so much. I'm just so happy about these roses. But yeah, I miss him so much when he's at work, so I'm so excited that we get to spend the evening with each other. And I just got a voice text from one of my business partners and I gotta listen to it. So let's listen. Come here, boo. Come here, Valentine. Oh, I still have to fold those clothes, y'all. Y'all know it's always a basket to be folded around here. So let me go ahead and make some moves. I make money moves.
Good morning.
Ray, don't do that because she be confused sometimes. And I be like, boo, you going to sleep again.
Good evening.
In like 4 hours or so.
Good evening.
And she be thinking she done.
Good evening.
Hey, Toots. Happy Valentine's Day, Tootie.
Happy Valentine's Day.
That's my baby, y'all. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later because y'all ain't gotta see me doing all this work over here. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Y'all, I think my roses are opening up. They're so freaking pretty. I love my husband. But Taylor's bed finally came. So I'm trying to put it together before we go out for the day.
Stop it. Watch me gather. Well, let's get started. Here. Hi guys, stay
back up.
Okay, I gotta back up. Hi guys, stay there. At the 10 a bit I started. I had a 2 Spanish and this I've been so sad in my bed coming and there was a move! They did that! And what all of these? Wow! started. So what happened? It means that is the best. I haven't done stop. Go. Hi guys. I got a soul. Who's that?
Turn, I'm about to turn it
Hi
off.
guys. Today over there, my buddy Winnie. Hi guys. Daddy do a baby.
Y'all, she is so excited that she just will not let me make the bed. Tootie, get up so I can finish making your bed.
No!
Come on.
Finish that!
5 years later in my baby's room. It's finally done. Oh my gosh. Okay, real quick. Blanket is from Target. This pillow is from, I think, either TJ Maxx or Ross. This is from Target. This is from Home Goods. This is from Target. This was from the airport. The sheets were from Target. This bed was from IKEA. Y'all don't care about the dollhouse, right? This rug was from Ross, y'all. Isn't it beautiful? This was from Home Goods. This is from Burlington.
Jeez.
This is from Home Goods. This is from TJ Maxx. That's IKEA. I use it to store her books. I get a lot of questions about this. I got this from Marshall's, but they also have it at like Books A Million. This is from Home Depot. No, what? Home Goods, sorry. And this is from Home Goods.